traffic, Cessna 26 Alpha. Alpha is on a 8-mile final for the RNAV. Traffic, flat wing 2 is on a 5 mile 45. For 16, full stop. Wrong traffic, number 2 north, put your land, turning left base, runway 25, wrong traffic.
I just got the new Insta360 cam and I'm in Naples, Florida. Let's take this thing out and see how it works. That's pretty cool. A blacked out vision jet. That's my style. Black on black on black. It's definitely loud out here, so we're testing the mic for sure. That was one of the features on this camera that they advertised as a wind resistant microphone, and we're putting it to the test today. I'm probably going to get some sort of string that cinches down on the camera, but for now I'm using safety wire just in case the mount breaks. I have some safety in place and I don't lose my camera or hit anybody on the ground with a falling object. So camera is safely secured and we're gonna get out of Naples, see how this thing does in the air.
Turf runway is closed. South Freeway, we've got a service. Advise on this contact you for information. Clearance 587 Delta Golf. Looking to pick up IFR, please.
Number 587 Delta Golf, Roger, stand by, coordinating with Miami.
Don't let that speed get any slower. You're looking perfect. Keep the nose down, maybe a little power so we don't sink or get slow. Good job. Hold that left wing down. Good. Little right rudder, little right rudder. Beautiful. Keep the crosswind in.
Well, overall, I would say the Insta X3 is a pretty awesome camera. It seems like the microphone's working pretty well. It definitely took some good footage, and now we'll get this thing home and get on the editing software and see what we can do with it. Thanks for flying with us today, and as always, fly safe, fly with confidence, train with Ace. See ya.